In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color swatches on Shopify in an easy, beginner-friendly way. Adding color swatches can be a game changer for your online store as it enhances the shopping experience and allows your customers to visualize their desired products better. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Shopify and head over to your store's homepage. This is where you'll begin the setup process. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This section will take you deeper into the administrative functionalities of your Shopify store, where we can access various features and options. Next, locate and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This will guide you to the area where you can manage existing apps and explore new ones to enhance your store's performance. We're aiming to add a new app that specifically lets us add those color swatches. Once there, find and click on the Shopify App Store. Enter the Shopify App Store, where endless possibilities await for store customization and functionality. In the search bar, type GLO Color. The GLO Color Swatch variant image app should be among the top results. Go ahead and click on it to learn more about its features. After reviewing, click on Install. Follow the prompts to proceed through the installation steps, which are quite straightforward. When prompted, click Install once more to finalize the process. This ensures the app is successfully embedded into your store's framework. Now that the app is installed, it will ask you to continue as free. Click this option to access the basic free features of the GLO Color Swatch app, which should suffice for adding color swatches. Proceed by clicking Continue as free again if necessary. With the app installed, navigate to the Appearance section. It's crucial to ensure you already have variants set up in your products, as the color swatches will correspond to these variants. Choose a template from the given options by selecting one that suits your store's design aesthetics. Click on Set Up. Here, you'll be able to customize the appearance of the color swatches on both the product page and the collection page by selecting these options. Adjust the color, shape, layout, and borders. Customization allows you to align the swatches with your store's theme and visual identity. Additionally, consider the selected color and hover animation features, which might enhance the user interactivity on your site. These tweaks can make your swatches not just functional, but visually appealing as well. Once satisfied with your adjustments, click on Save to ensure all your changes are applied. And there you have it, your new color swatches are now live on your Shopify store, enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.